Introducing the Atari Silver. So, here's the mock system that I've been talking about all quarter. My 3D render of my mock Atari system. My whole goal was to actually create a system where you could bring older gamers and a new generation of younger gamers together. So, it comes with a retro controller and new style gaming controllers with charging ports on top of the system where you can just rest your controller on top of the system to charge your game. Also, it comes with a Pong ball. The whole concept with the Pong ball is it acts as a information system where it changes different colors with the game, and it will let you see basically kind of what you're playing by giving a color coding of the system, and information actually appears on the Pong ball as well. So just something cool and novel about the system. But this is just a little bit of what I've been working with all quarter. And this is again the Atari Silver.